Breaking developments in the coronavirus pandemic.
California has more than 8,500 coronavirus cases, and the number of patients in intensive care, well, that's nearly tripled.
The state was quick to move on social distancing. As a consequence, I think some of those early actions may prove fruitful.
While health and safety are the priority, it's unclear how much keeping students home will slow the spread of the virus.
We recognize that social isolation for millions of Californians is anxiety-inducing, 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 anxiety-inducing.
Hello, I'm Catherine D. Hawley, and I'm reporting live from, well, you guessed it, my apartment! Hey guys, you know me, it's Miss Cat, and I'm back with my Social Emotional Learning Workshop for a Pandemic. That's right. Together, we're gonna hang out and learn about our 3 B's, our breath, our body, and our brains. Why is this important? Because you are in control of your emotions and yourself. And together, we're gonna build a daily regimen to make sure you're feeling awesome so that you can be the best you. So sign up now. I'd love to see you again.